Hey, you're talking to Rob from One Piece at a Time Ranch, and I'm here to do a little video of this H. It has one of those blasted Walmart batteries in it, which I know, I don't want to hear all your complaining and blasting me over having a Walmart battery. I'm poor, dang it. I ain't got the kind of money a lot of YouTubers do. Anyway, I charged this son of a gun up. It didn't want to start. I think I've shot the wad with another Walmart battery. Switch on, out of gear, choke out, try. Nope. Man, these things, I tell you what, these Walmart batteries, we got nothing. Blasted things. Anyway, the little H ain't gonna go right now.